Hey y'all, so I picked up this variety chicken drumsticks, wings, and thighs pack from Walmart. This is actually my favorite variety pack to buy. It lasts me for a while and it has all the pieces that I like. Today I am making honey mustard chicken, y'all. I got this recipe from Divas Can Cook. Shout out to her channel. I wanted to do something a little different with the chicken, so I figured why not try this recipe. I'm giving it just a little bit of seasoning here. You already know, listen, you got to get that chicken coated equally on each side. And I pour the juices off. This is olive oil and butter, y'all, that I am kind of putting over the chicken. Just wanted to moisten it up a bit. So I tried to spread it equally as possible while also keeping my seasonings intact, of course. I'm just putting it in my regular long pan that I have. Ooh, child, it might be time for a new one. But I just put it in my pan. It fit perfectly. Get them seasonings on there, y'all. Don't let nothing go to waste. I mean, nothing. So I also put the rest of the butter and olive oil on there. Look at it looking nicely coated. I did let this bake for about 30-ish minutes. And I put it on 425, so it was on pretty high. Then I decided to make some brown rice. I got my 2 cups of rice, and then I put 4 cups of water in there, along with some butter as well, before giving it just a little stir. Now, I do let it come to a boil first before putting my lid on it, and then I kind of let my lid hang off before turning it down just a bit. I just got some regular old peas, y'all. Your girl was not trying to do nothing too fancy. I typically zap them in the microwave. I was like, you know what? Let me put these on the stove, okay? It's Sunday. Y'all already know I got the good stuff, the Sweet Baby Ray's. Child, I about ran out. I had to make it do what it do, okay? But I was able to get it thoroughly coated on each side. The chicken wasn't too hot for me to touch, but as you can see, it's not quite done here. So you definitely need to put it back in the oven, possibly for like another 15-20 minutes. Look at it. I was really squeezing the heck out of that thing. I did not feel like opening up a new bottle. So I just kind of spread it all over. You definitely want to get it as barbecue-y as possible. And I probably could have used a brush like she did in her video, but y'all, I ain't have one. I did have a knife, though, to put some slits in it to let the juices kind of marinate down. And I made some homemade honey mustard, just like she did in the video. I have some sour cream, some Duke's mayo, some yellow mustards, the French's, the good stuff. And then I also have some 100% honey that I got from Walmart. I gave it a little stir first. I definitely wanted to see that nice, yummy yellow color. So make sure you stir it up really, really, really good. And then you're just going to put as much honey to your liking as you would like. When I tell you, baby, this ain't got nothing on your best honey mustard sauce. Wendy's, McDonald's, it ain't touching it at all. This honey mustard is so easy and good. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just lovely. My rice was done. Oh, y'all, I had a big pot of rice. My rice was about done. I gave it just a little stir. You see all that smoke coming off of it. The rice came out perfect. And then I spread the honey mustard over each of my little pieces of chicken, y'all. It looks so pretty right here. And then y'all already see my broiler is on high. I think I should have put the broiler on low because it definitely crisped up a lot quicker than what I thought it did. And when I tell you this came out so yummy, oh my gosh. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Would you try this?
I would like to get